Okay, we just have a few notes for NS2A, a couple rules for multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. So if we have two like signs, it becomes a positive sign. For example, the easiest one is if we have two positive numbers, it's going to stay positive. But also if we have two negatives, it's going to become positive. Like if I have negative 4 divided by negative 2, that's going to become a positive number, and 4 divided by 2 is 2, so that's just going to be a positive 2. Okay? If they're like, it becomes positive. And the same if they're unlike, then the signs become negative. So if I have a negative 5 times a positive 2, we have a positive and a negative, they're unlike, so that's going to give me a negative answer, a negative 10. Okay, if I had a negative 20 divided by a positive 5, again, they're unlike, so it's going to be negative, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Gives me an answer of a negative 4. Okay, so kind of similar to our addition and subtraction rules in the way that they're written, but they're applied differently, obviously, because it's multiplication and division. Okay. One vocab word, multiplicative inverse, is a number that you multiply by to get 1. For example, if I have the number 1/5, what would I multiply 1/5 by to get the number 1? It would actually just be the reciprocal of that, which would be 5 over 1. Reciprocal, you just flip numerator and denominator, because when I multiply by the reciprocal, 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 over 5 reduces to 1. Okay? If I had a fraction like 2/3, I would do the same thing. Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/2, and I'm going to get 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 over 6 reduces to 1. Okay? So the multiplicative inverse is what you would multiply a number by to get the answer of 1. All right? That's all for notes.